Alright, what's up everybody? We are here at Jaycee Park in Redford Township. We got a tornado siren here. Got a Thunderbolt tornado siren. It's about to go off here for the first Saturday of the month, 1 p.m. test. And it's currently about 12:57 p.m. so there should be sounding the siren off here real soon. So we'll get this siren on video. We'll come back to when the siren goes off. Here we go. This is for June 1st, 2024. Well, that's going to conclude the test. Well, that was very interesting. It was very short, too. Still hear distant sirens nearby. But this siren, they only sounded off for a minute, and it doesn't spin either. I know this thing has been having issues with that, so that's not good. That's kind of a fail, but we still got this Thunderbolt in action. This tornado siren, still pretty cool that we got it on video going off. At least this time it did go off as opposed to the previous time I came back. I think it was September of 2022 that I came here and I filmed the siren, and it didn't go off. But they did sound it off today, which is good. But seriously, they got to get this thing fixed because it should be spinning. It shouldn't just stay like that. So that's kind of a fail, but still, we got the test on video. It's 1:03 p.m. Hope you guys enjoyed this month's edition, June 1st, 2024, in Redford Township, Michigan, at Jaycee Park. That will be it.